dalawa na daw po, libre na.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Let Us Go. For our first video, we're gonna be trying out street foods just outside of Apex, and we're gonna be rating it through 1 to 10. I am Ray.
I am Jasmine. I am Sasa.
I am Devon.
Now we're gonna try calamaris and quack.
Hindi, ano gusto mo? Benteng ko na po. Salamat kuya, Bente. Today, me and Devon will be trying fishball and kikiam. I will be trying the kikiam and he will be trying the fishball. Sabi po kuya, 20 pesos na fishball po, tapos 20 pesos na kikiam. Sige. Tapos sabi ko. Fishball. Kikiam.
Now we're gonna try calamari. It only costs 10 pesos, guys. Now we're gonna try the calamari.
Now we're gonna try siomai for our last street food of the day. Sarap! Bruh. Good boy, Devon.
Ito, sabay-sabay tayo makain. 1, 2, 3, go.
What do you guys think about the street food surprise? For me, the fishbowl was very good because despite me paying only 20 pesos, it gave me so much fish balls that I couldn't even finish it. I had to give it to Josh. So I would rate it personally a 10 out of 10. What about you, Devon?
The kikiam is very good. I think it would taste better if it had sauce. And I would rate it 8 out of 10 because it has no sauce.
I give the calamares also a 10 out of 10 because me personally, I like fried food in general. Plus the sour sauce, it had a nice taste.
For me, I'll rate the quack 9 out of 10 because napasok ko, kaya minus points. Tapos, it's really good because I like the egg. It's very soft. And kahit na 20 pesos lang siya, it's still good. Wait lang yung siomai pa.
How about the siomai?
10 out of 10! Kahit walang sauce!
Thank you for
Watching our videos!
Please
Like and subscribe!
Hello everyone! Thank you for watching our video. We hope you like our video. Comment down below wherever you want us to come to next.
Rolling na.
Ganun pala. So, what do you guys think about the street food? For me, the squid balls was very good. I would rate it a 10 out of 10 because of its, it gave a lot of squid. Happy kayo.
Thank you for watching our video.
How about the siomai?
10 out of 10!
So what do you guys think about the food?
Ang dami ng tricycle ulit.
Ang ingay mo!